Hi guys, in this video, I want to show you exactly how AI works in Forex. Many people have been confused about the concept of using a robot to analyze the market and to make money in the Forex market. But the truth of the matter is that the biggest Forex traders and the people who are making the most money out of the market are using AI or automation in Forex trading. Now, what is a robot capable of doing for you? This is what happens. For an investor, and I repeat again, for an investor who has the money to trade in the Forex market, but number one, they don't have the time to analyze the market, or they don't have enough skills and enough knowledge to do what is required for them to make money in Forex trading. For that kind of an investor, when they get or when they acquire an AI that is fully automated, they can use their money to make money in the Forex market without literally doing anything. So the robot does everything for you. It is sort of like account management, but this time you're trusting your money. You're trusting your money and your investment on an AI that has been programmed to do exactly what you want it to do. This is what I mean. In account management, you give somebody your logins and your passwords for them to go and access your money and trade for you. If that person is not qualified enough, if that person is careless, if that person just wants to make quick cash, they can play around with your money. But when you have a robot working for you, this robot does exactly what you have told it to do. If it is something about risk management, the robot is going to manage your risk accurately and exactly the way you have told it to do it. Okay? So, in terms of the strategies, the robot uses the best strategies and proven strategies to ensure that it remains profitable throughout your trading career. So, as long as you are an investor who wants to start making money in Forex trading, but you know very well you don't have enough time. You don't have, number one, enough time to learn. Learning Forex trading can take you upwards of 6 years or 7 years for you to master the art fully. You need like 6 or 7 years of constantly studying the markets. But for some of you and for most people, it is very difficult for them to dedicate time that is required to learn this thing. Okay? For other people, they have already tried. And every time you think, now I know what I'm supposed to do. Every time you think, now I know I'm going to start making money, you always find yourself losing money. Have you ever asked yourself why? The reason is because the Forex market is very wide. And every time you think you have learned whatever is required for you to make money, you're going to find that there is still thousands of information that you have not come across, and thousands of strategies that work together with the strategy you have just learned. So you can't just apply one strategy in the market and expect to make money. This is why you need a robot to trade on your behalf. And this is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. I have been using AI myself for the past 4 years. So this is not something that I am new in. This is something that I have been working on. I started with binary trading softwares, and now I have been working with Forex trading softwares for the past 1 year. And for that 1 year, I have been able to achieve the biggest amount of success compared to other Forex traders who are in the same field in my country. So this means that AI is the future. Unfortunately, for most people, when they hear about a robot or an AI, they always think about the scams that they have been scammed before. Yeah, but with the introduction of AI, things like ChatGPT, you can tell ChatGPT to do anything for you. You can even tell ChatGPT to create for you a video out of thin air, and it is going to create for you a very good video, whether it is a marketing video or whatever it is. Now, that is the same thing we are trying to bring into Forex trading, and we have succeeded. So, watch this video up to the end for you to see how you can make money in Forex trading using an AI fully automated without you having to analyze the market or do anything. Now, let's dive right in. In this video, I want to show you exactly what you do when you already have a robot. Where do you touch? Where do you go to? How do you install the robot? And how do you make the robot start working for you? This is something that is completely new. I know robots in Forex trading have always been there, but we have never had a robot that is accurate and that you can trust with your money, as much money as you want to put in Forex trading without the risk of losing that money. Now, guys, I'm going to demonstrate these using the broker that I used to back test this robot. So the broker I'm using here is Scope Markets. So as you can see here, I have already added my accounts. That is Scope Markets. If you don't know how to add your account, you come to the file area and then you log into a trade account. So once you go to log into a trade account, you choose whether you want to add a live account or a demo account. So as I've said, we are using the Scope Markets broker. So including this application, the MT4 that we are using, we have downloaded it from the Scope Markets website. Okay. So once you have logged in, you're going to find such a page like this. Now, the next thing that I need to do is to load my software or to load my robot. But before I do that, I have to choose the currency. The currency here that I'm going to use. As you can see here, we have Euro USD, we have AUD USD, GBP USD. Any currency pair that I want to use, I can choose it from here. So for most people who are getting the software, which is METAVOLT EA, for most people who are using METAVOLT EA, they want to trade gold. Gold is the money maker. When it comes to METAVOLT EA, gold is really making people money. And let me show you how that is working. So here we have, so you right click on the XAU USD, and then you come here and say chart window. Then you open this chart window, okay? Then let's use candlesticks. Okay, let me do this using my hands, like that. So this is gold. This is gold, guys. No, we want, yeah, like that. Okay. So once I'm here, now I'm going to load my software on this chart. And one fun fact about the robot is you can open this chart multiple times and load the robot multiple times for it to analyze the market on different charts in the same currency and take several entries, take several orders. Yeah? Okay. So if I want to trade on this chart, the first thing that I'm going to do is I will go to the file. I will come to file. Then I will open data folder. Now, you can also use this video to install your software once you have bought it. Once you have acquired the robot, you can use this video to install as a guide to install your software. So you're going to come to open data folder. You press open data folder. Then you're going to come to this part where it is written MQL4. But before you do that, go to downloads where you downloaded the robot that you received on your email. Okay, so the METAVOLT EA is here. So I'm going to come here and copy this. I'm going to come there and copy it. Then I'm going to press this button to go back. And I will go to MQL4, then press experts. Once I'm here, I'm going to load the software here. So I'm going to paste. I will come here and say paste, yeah? But now mine has already been pasted. Here it is. Here it is, yeah? So after I have this software here, now I can close this page. Ensure that you have loaded your software here if you want to use it on the MT4 page. So I'm going to close that. And I will come to Expert Advisors, right click there and then refresh. So when I refresh, this software is going to appear here. And now from this point onwards, I have my software on my working space. when I want to load it on this chart, I'm going to drag this software here. You see what I did? I dragged it. So I don't know how your laptop looks like, but you can left click. You can left click here. You can first of all select it, then left click and drag it to the center of the chart. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down here. All these are settings that I have already programmed into the software. These are settings that I've already put. So you don't have to change any of these. But there's something I want you to see. What you're going to be changing every time you're using your robot, you have to change something we call lot size here. Adjustable lot size. So what lot size do you want to use? Please note, when you're trading gold, gold tends to have its pips movement are very big compared to other currencies. So ensure you have good capital and ensure you use a stake that is reasonable. Use a lot size that is reasonable. So here, for example, I can come and say I want to use a lot size of 0.1. At least for you to make good money, ensure you're using a lot size of 0.1 and above. 0.1, 0.2. For somebody who has $1,000, you can use up to 0.9. If you have more than $10,000, you can use a lot size of 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. If you have more, say like for example, you have up to 100K in your account, you can use a lot size of 10, you can use a lot size of 15, you can use a lot size of 20. That is if your account has above $100,000. But for people who are using $10,000 and below, ensure that your lot size is 0.1 to 0.9. $10,000 and above, your lot size is 1 to 10. Are we together up to that point? I hope we are together. Now, once I have selected my lot size, I'm going to scroll down. There we have something called stop loss and take profit. Now, this is where things get crazy. This is where now things get crazy. I'm going to set my take profit at 300 pips and my stop loss at 500 pips. You can even set 500, 1,000. You can even set 1,000, 2,000. You can set the limits to whatever number that you want. The robot is going to do the rest of the work for you. Now, those are the only settings that you need to change when you are using this AI. This AI is called METAVOLT EA. I wanted to check here and see all these. We have very many indicators here. We also have very many strategies that are embedded on this software, which is making it the best robot in the market today. Making it the best robot in the market today. I'm telling you guys, once you install this robot, the next thing you should be seeing in your account is you printing dollars. Printing dollars is really in Forex, especially when you have a robot. Guys, what are you waiting for to make money? So you just come there and press OK. Now, what I've just done is I have approved the robot to analyze the market on my behalf, trade on my behalf, and make profits on my behalf. Now, there is one step that we have not done yet. You see this button here? It's auto trading. If yours is red, you have to press auto trading for it to turn green, because when it is red, you have not given the robot access to your account. You have not given it access to your account. So when you want to give it access, you have to press auto trading to give the robot access to your account. So if I turn this off, something has happened with this guy here. Before he was smiling, now he's not smiling. You see? Now he's smiling. When I switch it off, he's not smiling. How funny is that? But that is true. So when the guy is not smiling, your robot is not running. But when the guy is smiling, your robot is active. So always ensure that when you're using the robot, your auto trading is switched on. Just a few things that I have to go through in this video to ensure that you are set up, you're ready to go. The first thing is when you're using the robot, ensure your auto trading is switched on. The second thing is, as I said before, you can use this robot on different currencies. I mean, on different currency pairs at the same time. And you can even use it on the same currency pair several times. When I post my videos of my trades or when I post screenshots of my trades, you can see sometimes that I have taken 2, 3, 4, 5 entries in the same currency pair. So why that happens is I can come here and open another chart window. You see now this is a different chart window. Let me show you. Okay. Let me show you using this. So as you can see, I have opened all these chart windows. But what we want is this. No, that is GBP USD. We have XAU USD here. Yeah. This is the one that we have just opened right now. And this is where we have loaded the software. So this one is already running. This one is already running here. Yeah. But we don't want that. We want this. So if I want to use the robot here, the only thing I need to do is, yeah, I will just come, drag the software again, just like we did before. Then I will do the settings again for the take profit, for the stop loss. So right now, let's assume that my account has $100,000. Let's assume my account has $100,000. So I'm going to say use a lot of 10. Okay. And I come down here where we have take profit and stop loss. Now, this time I could say I want to do a take profit of 500 pips and a stop loss of 800 pips. The reason why we are doing this is because the software is very accurate. So you give it room because it always goes according to the trend of the market. This software does not trade against the trend. It picks its trades with the trend of the market. Meaning that whenever you place a trade with this AI, it is not going against the market direction. It is going towards the market direction, overall market direction. Say, for example, here, you can say the market is, the market is bearish, right? So if the software is placing a trade on the 1 hour time frame, it is going to place a sell, okay? It is going to look for selling positions. And as you can see, it has not placed any trade yet. This is not a scalping robot. This is not a scalping robot. This is a software that is generally made to make you money. And it has to analyze the market correctly to ensure that you're making money in the long run. So guys, this is it. This is basically it. Once you have set it up, you don't have much left to do. Just leave your laptop, let the software do its work, and you can check all your trades on your phone. So, like for example, I have some trades that were running from before. Let me show you. I have some trades that were running right here. So right now I have these two trades. I don't know if you guys can see. I have these two trades that were running from before. And they're still running until now. The robot placed them. And it places a stop loss and a take profit. So until that take profit has been hit, the software is not going to close that trade. Until that stop loss has been hit, it is not going to close that trade. So you can always trust the robot to manage the risk for you. Number one thing you should note is that you will never blow your account when using this robot. Why? Because as we have just said, it has its own risk management. Secondly, the robot does not trade reversals. It does not trade against the trend. It always picks its trades or its positions with the market trend, with the current trend of the market. So if the market is bearish, the robot is going to take a sell. If the market is bullish, the software is going to pick a buy position. And this is what makes this very special. And this is why this software can be used by complete beginners. So whether you have experience in Forex trading or not, be rest assured that the software is going to manage all the trades for you. Okay. So this is something that I find magical. I don't know how you find it, but I find it magical because many people have been losing a lot of money, and let me say a lot of money in the Forex market. My friends have lost a lot of money, but since I introduced this AI to them, they are now making money. They are now recovering the losses they had made before. You don't have to be a hero. You don't have to feel majestic and feel strong when analyzing the market and saying, I am a Forex trader. Yeah, I am undergoing baptism by fire when I am blowing my account. I always see manual traders trying to justify losing money in the Forex market, saying that it is baptism by fire. But let me tell you, you don't have to be baptized by fire. You can be baptized by water. You can be baptized by making profits. Not every beginner Forex trader loses money. And the people who continue trading for the longest time are the people who make money in their first days in Forex trading. Because you have to make money for you to see this thing is real. Okay? So once you have acquired the robot, that is the process you follow. Now, once you have made the money and you are comfortable with the profits that you have made today, you just come here and switch off auto trading. The good thing is, once you switch off auto trading, it is going to switch off for all the charts. All the charts that you had open, they are all going to close those positions. All those positions are going to be closed. Okay? I hope you have understood. So when you want to close all these robots, I want you to see what happens when I switch off auto trading. You see these emoji is smiling. The emoji is smiling, smiling, smiling face, smiling face, smiling face. All the charts have a smiling face emoji. But when I switch off, what happens to the emojis? They all become sad and mad. Yeah, you see them? You see this one? Very mad. Yeah, you see this one? Very mad or very sad. I don't know which. But when I switch it on, this guy now becomes happy. The guy is very happy. And the reason this guy is happy is because he's now ready to start making money. Let me show you another trick. When you want to adjust your settings, you just press on the emoji and change the settings that you want to change. Yeah. So let's say, like, for example, you want to add your lot size. You have realized that the trades that are being taken on this currency pair, which is AUD you have realized that it is making a lot of money, and now you want to duplicate, you want to make more. So you just come here and add your lot size. I was using 0.5, so you just come there and add your lot size there and put whatever you want. Okay. So cheers, guys. I hope to see you guys making money because I know this is what is happening. This is what is happening. And other people are making money. You should be making money too. You should not be blowing your account every day when we have AI and automation in Forex trading. Years that have passed, maybe that was okay. It was okay for you to lose money because there was no something like this. But now that it is here, take advantage of it. Ensure you have automated your trades. Even if you are the best Forex trader in your town or in your country or wherever you live, you are not always in front of your screen like this, looking at your laptop that you're trading. No. Sometimes you have to be busy. You have to be traveling. When you're traveling, when you are going on vacation, ensure that you have a robot that is still trading for you. That is a residual income right there. That is residual income. And that is automated trading right there. You're making money on automation. You're making money without working. Okay. So, yes, you have taken your time to learn about Forex. You have become a very good Forex trader. That is okay. But what happens when you are sick? Are you still going to trade when you have a headache? Are you still going to trade when your children want to play with you? They want to play with their dad. They want to play with their mommy. Are you still going to be there on the laptop telling them, no, stop bothering me? I'm in the market. I want to catch this move on gold. Let the robot catch that move for you as you go on and do much more important things than looking for money. than making money, because everything is automated right now. If you go to the cafes, you're going to find we have robo cafes all over the world, including Nairobi, right here, Nairobi. We have a robo cafe where... Congratulations and thank you for watching that video. What you have just seen is an example of what could happen in your account when you are using a robot to analyze the market. Now, let me give you a secret. Not many people have known about what I've just shown you. So you can become among the pioneers who are going to change the forex trading industry completely. In the past, people have been having to analyze the market for so many hours, and people have been losing a lot of money in the forex market. 99% of beginner forex traders always lose their money. But with an AI, we are going to reduce that number to ensure that even beginner forex traders can make money. And we have already done that. The beginner forex traders who have acquired this robot, they are already making money. I hope you are the next person who is going to be making money using AI automation without having to analyze the market, without having to do anything. You let the AI work for you. One thing that I can tell you is that AI is the future. And somebody who does not see that, they are going to realize it too late. Don't wait until it is too late for you to realize that whatever is happening in AI is something new and something that anybody can jump into and begin to grow themselves. You can make money in forex trading as long as you believe in yourself and you have enough capital to invest. Please note this. AI is not for somebody who does not have capital. I repeat, AI is not for somebody who does not have good capital. I recommend you to use at least $1,000 as your capital when you are using an AI. Cheers, guys. I hope to see you at the top of the world. I hope to see you at the beaches, the best beaches of the world. I hope to see you guys in those private jets that we as forex traders know very well we deserve. That good life, those beautiful mansions, those beautiful homes, giving your children the best lifestyle, giving your family, your wife, your mom, your dad, your siblings, everybody who depends on you. I hope to see you guys giving them the best lifestyle courtesy of using AI and automation in forex trading. If I have done it, you guys can do it too. And I hope to see you guys at the top.